KFC's iconic crispy tenders have become a worldwide favorite, loved for their perfectly seasoned coating, tender chicken, and addictive crunch. But what goes into creating this delicious product on a massive scale? Behind the scenes, there's a highly sophisticated process that transforms raw chicken into the signature crispy tenders we know and love. From sourcing the freshest chicken to packaging the finished product, every step is carefully designed to ensure quality, consistency, and taste. Let's explore the fascinating journey of how KFC crispy tenders are made in a factory. Sourcing the chicken. The process begins with sourcing high-quality chicken from trusted suppliers. KFC partners with farms that meet stringent guidelines for animal welfare, sustainability, and product quality. These farms raise chickens under carefully controlled conditions to ensure their health and well-being. The chickens are fed a balanced diet, free from antibiotics, which contributes to the quality of the meat. Once the chickens are ready, they are transported to processing facilities that follow strict hygiene and food safety protocols. Here, the chickens are inspected to meet KFC's rigorous standards. Only the best cuts of chicken, specifically the tenderloin, a soft, juicy strip located beneath the chicken breast, are selected for crispy tenders. Initial processing. At the factory, the tenderloins go through a series of initial processing steps. The chicken is first cleaned and trimmed to remove any excess fat or irregularities. Advanced machinery and skilled workers ensure that every piece is uniform in size and shape, which is essential for even cooking and consistent quality. The trimmed tenderloins are then subjected to a quick chilling process. This step helps preserve freshness and prevents the growth of bacteria. The chilled chicken is stored in a temperature-controlled environment until it's ready for further processing. Marination. The next step in the process is marination, a crucial stage that imparts flavor and tenderness to the chicken. KFC uses a proprietary blend of seasonings and spices in its marinade, which is a closely guarded secret. The marinade includes a combination of salt, pepper, and other spices designed to enhance the natural flavor of the chicken. In the factory, the tenderloins are placed into large tumblers or mixers, where they are coated with the marinade. These machines ensure that the marinade is evenly distributed, penetrating deep into the chicken for maximum flavor. The marination process typically lasts several hours, allowing the chicken to absorb the spices fully. Breading and coating. Once the marination is complete, the tenderloins move on to the breading station, where they are given their signature crispy coating. The breading process is perhaps the most iconic aspect of KFC crispy tenders, involving a unique blend of flour, seasonings, and other dry ingredients. The tenderloins are first dipped into a liquid batter, which helps the dry breading adhere to the surface of the chicken. This batter is specially formulated to create the perfect balance between moisture and crunch. After the battering, the tenderloins pass through a breading machine, where they are coated with the dry mixture. At this stage, the tenders are gently shaken to remove excess breading, ensuring that the coating is even and not too thick. The result is a perfectly breaded tenderloin, ready for frying. The breading adheres tightly to the chicken, creating the signature texture and crunch that KFC fans crave. Frying. The breaded tenders then enter the frying stage, where they are cooked to perfection. Industrial fryers filled with hot oil maintain precise temperatures to ensure consistent cooking. The chicken is fried for a specific duration, allowing the breading to turn golden brown and the chicken to cook thoroughly. During frying, the tenderloins are constantly monitored to maintain quality and safety standards. Sensors and automated systems ensure that each piece is cooked evenly, achieving the ideal texture, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Once frying is complete, the tenders are drained to remove excess oil. They are then cooled slightly to prepare for the next stage of the process. Quality control. Quality control is a critical component of the factory process. At various stages, the tenders are inspected to ensure they meet KFC's strict standards. This includes checking for uniformity in size and shape, as well as testing the flavor, texture, and appearance of the product. Random samples are taken from each batch and subjected to rigorous testing in on-site labs. This includes taste tests by trained professionals who evaluate the seasoning, crunch and overall quality of the tenders. Any batch that fails to meet KFC standards is discarded or reprocessed to ensure that only the best products reach customers. Freezing and packaging. After passing quality control, the tenders are flash frozen to lock in their flavor and freshness. Flash freezing involves rapidly lowering the temperature of the chicken to preserve its texture and taste. This step is essential for maintaining the quality of the product during transportation and storage. The frozen tenders are then packaged in specially designed bags or boxes, which protect them from freezer burn and contamination. Packaging is done using high-speed machines that seal the tenders in airtight containers, ensuring their freshness until they reach KFC locations or retail outlets. Distribution. Once packaged, the crispy tenders are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and distributed to KFC restaurants and retailers around the world. The distribution process is highly efficient, ensuring that the product reaches its destination quickly and in perfect condition. KFC restaurants receive the frozen tenders and store them in temperature-controlled freezers until they are ready to be prepared and served. The final cooking step takes place at the restaurant, where the tenders are fried again to restore their crispy texture and serve them fresh to customers. Environmental and ethical considerations. KFC is committed to sustainability and ethical practices throughout the production process. The company works closely with suppliers to ensure that farming and processing methods are environmentally responsible. This includes minimizing waste, reducing water usage, and adopting energy-efficient practices in factories. Additionally, KFC has implemented programs to improve animal welfare, ensuring that chickens are raised under humane conditions. These efforts reflect KFC's dedication to producing high-quality food while respecting the planet and its resources. Conclusion. The journey of KFC crispy tenders from farm to table is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality, innovation, and consistency. Each step of the process, from sourcing and marination to breading and frying, is meticulously designed to deliver the delicious taste and texture that fans around the world love. Behind every bite of a KFC crispy tender lies a sophisticated factory process that combines advanced technology, skilled craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of what makes great food. As you savor the crunch and flavor of a crispy tender, you can appreciate the care and expertise that went into creating this iconic product.